Hello there, and welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are just taking a slow look at what we were able to complete in last week's video, which was updating my front herringbone paver walkway. I am absolutely in love, and we are staying up front. And we are going to be first doing a little fertilization to the plants that we have in the front, and then we are going to be staying very close, and we're going to be addressing one of the water features that we have in my front bed. We're just going to be giving it a total refresh for the birds to be able to be happy throughout the balance of the summer. So I hope that you guys are having an amazing day and are ready for some motivation. Before we get started with taking care of the water feature, I wanted to just feed all of the petunias that we have in the front yard. I just wanted to give you guys a close-up look of this murky water feature. The fountain had fallen down, I want to say 2 weeks ago, and I was trying to re-prop it up. As you can see, it's a mess. It is so dirty, and I need to address that. So today I am going to totally take all of the water out of it, clean the pump and the fountain, and just make it all nice and clean and inviting for the birds to be able to enjoy. So we have this DIY water feature that we put in last year. We created it out of a fire pit that we had picked up from Lowe's. It's their copper their copper fire pit. I think it was like $89 for the fire pit. I also have this identical one on my side patio, and I thought that it would be a great base to be able to make it into a fountain, and I absolutely love it. Last year I had the black base, so it was sort of like maybe about a half a foot higher. This year when I put it back together, I decided to just nestle just this base directly on the ground, and I love the way that all the plants are coming up right against the base. You can see at the end when I do a close-up, it just looks so magical. So this is how murky the water was at the bottom. So we're just going to continue to remove all of that water, and then we're going to start cleaning off the inside and then all of the Mexican pebbles that we have there, and we're also going to clean all of the mechanics. So I have a solar water feature pump, and it has been working very well. It has the separate panel that's right behind me, and it's plugged in, and it works very, very well out here. It is able to circulate the water, and the birds love it. So now that I have all the water out, you can see the sediment that was at the bottom of the vessel. So we're just going to remove that. We're going to start cleaning it. I think I'm going to use some, you guessed, power wash. I have really been enjoying using Dawn Power Wash outside. I think that it is amazing. So we let that set for a little bit. We're going to go in with some water to just loosen up all the grime. And we are just going to clean this so that it is so nice and inviting for the birds. I had such good intentions of not bending over. As you can see, I have my little kneeling bench right there, but yet I squat and I clean. I just love this view. At night, it is amazing because I do have that little solar spotlight that shines very nicely up against the fountain. I wish that I can share a night view with you guys. I've tried to do some video, but because the difference like between my camera, it always like blows out the footage when it's dark out, so you're not able to like really see how magical everything is. but I probably will try to take just a still image and maybe I'll post it in the community tab so you guys can check out the community tab sometime next week. I'll make sure that I post it. I made sure that I filled it all the way to the top, and then we're just going to top it off with some mosquito bits. And we are back in business. I just absolutely love this view. I love how the bubblegum super petunias are nestled in towards the base of this. I also have cone flowers in the back, and everything is just looking amazing. So now that we finished that, I also wanted to do my second water feature, which is the bird bath. That is right along the side pathway. So we're just going to quickly clean this one out, make it nice and clean. But before we go, I just wanted to show you guys, this is the catmint. If you remember a couple of weeks ago, I cut it all the way down to the ground. It's flushing back out, setting on some blooms, and it'll be like fully in bloom within the next week or so. Let me know if you have any water features on your property. I have to say that the two types of pumps that I have has been going strong. I haven't had any problems with them. I picked both of them up on Amazon. I have them linked inside of I'll have it linked in the description in case you're interested, but they work really well. As long as you don't let them run dry, you will not have an issue with them burning out at all. I just want to thank you so much for joining me today. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. And until the next time, have a blessed day.